If we could run it back, and do you wonder if we could all of the things I didn't know I had to get.
This weather must hate me or something, because every time I plan on doing something, it rains. I was planning to go to the beach today with my friend, my work friend, and there's rain. So I'm just hoping that wherever we're going, because it's like 2.5-3 hours away from where we are, that the weather that side is better than it is this side. Because I don't know if I mentioned, we're going to like a beach. We're going to the beach. Oh my god, that was so hard to actually get out of my mouth. But yeah, we're going to the beach. Not solely to the beach, but that was the highlight of this trip. But we shall see how it goes. Yeah. Also, the struggles of living in Korea. I still don't have my bank account, my card. I have an account, but no card. So I need to use my bank book for transactions. Let me show you guys. So I need to use like a bank book to get money, because this cannot be used in store. Like I can't use it at a restaurant or somewhere, so I have to withdraw money every time I want to use money. Like, come on. But I'm so glad that this is actually working, because it has saved me many times. So bank book it is, bank book life. But I can't wait to get my card, because it's so annoying to have to go to an ATM all the time if I want to use money. So yeah, and the thing is, I don't know where other ATMs are, so I always come to the one near my place. Like, it's not even near, it's like a 10-minute walk from where I stay. So yeah, because not all ATMs allow books, and this is like the section, let me put it in, section for the book. And then you need to, oh my goodness, I didn't show. It wasn't recording this whole time, and I thought I was recording. Okay, everything is in Korean. I don't understand. Oh, that's the book. Let's wait for the book to come out. That's the book. And then the money. What's the... It's not even a thing on the table.
Wanna know how good he makes me feel. Girl, come take a seat. Think about how it feels when you sit down, when all day you've been on your feet. When you're getting a back rub and the night just releases. When you've been on a strict diet and the day comes to cheating. When you let your head down when it's been up all day. When you're lost mentally and take time to pray. Stay after you meditate. Tell me, sis, can you relate? That's how it feels. Is he for real? That's how you know. That's how you know you found real love. That's how you know. That's how you know you found love. That's how you know. That's how you know you hit a jackpot, girl, when you found love. Feeling in you good. Have you ever found some change at the bottom of your purse? Have you had someone make your day when you feel at your worst? Girl, there ain't nothing better than that feel. I know it all so well. From the way that you smile and talk about him, I can tell. You got me so strong, just like that T-Pain song. Never thought I'd get here the way these men be doing wrong. Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. You men are so damn hard to find. That's how I know. That's how I know I found real love. That's how I know. That's how I know.
So we're currently at this place, the tasting room and cheese room for lunch, because our day didn't go as planned. So it's okay. Always flexible to change the plans. We're gonna have lunch, and then we're gonna go out to the streets and be with other kids. So our drinks are here. big. It's a citron egg. I don't really. I can't believe how big it actually is. But yeah.
Yes, I know it. Trust me, I get it. Been there so many times. Real men are so damn hard to find. That's how I know. That's how I know I found real love. That's how I know. That's how I know I found love. That's how I know I hit the jackpot. Girl, I know I found love. I feel it in my gut, yeah. Baby girl, your gut don't lie. You better trust that feeling. It don't lie. That's how I know. Yeah. That's how you know.
Hey guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. I just finished getting ready. If you can see, my hair is a bit of a mess. I'm trying to learn how to do flat twist by myself. Like, my lines are not the best and whatnot, but it really actually helps me with keeping my hair and managing it during the week. So I am about to go out. It's a good day. The weather is good today. The sun is out. We've had a very rainy weekend. Like, the past 2 days was just wet. It was raining. So today it's good weather. I think my brow is showing. Oh my god, it's okay though. Anyways, I am about to go out. Just gonna go to a cafe just to get a few things done, because I am more productive when I am out of my place. Like, when I'm here, I'm just a lazy rat. So let me show you guys what I have on. Let's see. Yeah, so I just have this white shirt on and these like linen pants, wide leg linen pants. That's what I have on, and then I'm just gonna put a pair of sneakers. Probably gonna go for a white pair. But yeah, that, and this cap that I recently got that I'm so in love with. The fit is perfect. First bite. So it's basically like strawberry covered in some syrup, and it's good. It's good. But if you're not a sweet, if you don't have a sweet tooth, I don't think you will enjoy this. But I really like it. I'm just walking around trying to find a cafe. A cute cafe. Because I can see a Starbucks, but I don't want to go to Starbucks. So yeah. And it's so hot, guys. It is super hot. It's disgusting. I really don't like the heat. Okay, I think I'm gonna go to this cafe because it looks like it's the only decent cafe that's open. Here we go. I am at the cafe. I don't know if it's a cafe or what, because I think It's very small to be classified as a cafe. You've seen by the videos I posted. But anyways, I got a drink. I don't even know what the name of this drink is. And also I just got a cookie. Oh. I got a cookie because the cakes didn't look appetizing at all. Like, I didn't like the cakes. So I just decided to get a cookie. So I'm just gonna sit out here, do some work. I'm still here. I'm trying to learn Korean and it's so challenging. It's not easy actually trying to learn a new language. Like, I'm walking back home and I just realized yesterday I never gave you guys the full story of what actually happened with going to the beach. So yeah, so the plan was to go to the beach, and then when we got to the bus terminal, the last bus, I'm distracted. Anyways, yeah, the next bus was gonna be at 12:20, which was 20 minutes away from when we got there. However, the tickets were sold out, and the next bus after that was gonna be at 3 o'clock, which was gonna be too late because that would have meant that we're gonna get to the place after 7, which is already too late to actually do anything, and then we'd have to come back. So we changed those plans and then just ended up going for lunch. And then after lunch we were gonna go out to Hongdae, but we were so tired we ended up going back home. So our day was kind of cut short, but it was okay. It was raining anyway, so yeah. So now I'm going back home to go rest. I have other things that I need to do, but I'm probably gonna go and rest, and then I'll go out a bit later again. But this is probably the end of the vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.